guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for Guyanese style bora, better known as long bean, with chicken simmered in coconut milk. To get started, here I have my chicken already well seasoned. I already chopped the bora and I'll be using some potatoes in it. I also have onions, coconut milk, garlic. I'll be using some tomatoes, bell peppers, thyme, cilantro, green onions. And for the seasonings, I have complete seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, chicken bouillon, black pepper, some habanero peppers, chili peppers, and tomato paste. Let's jump right in. So let me take you guys back to how I seasoned my chicken. Here I have some chicken thighs, freshly washed in lemon juice, and I'll be using some garlic and onion powder, chicken bouillon, creole seasoning, complete seasoning, poultry seasoning, and black pepper. I also have my fresh green seasoning here, and I'll be using some cassareep. If you can't find cassareep, you can use any brown sauce you have on hand. Basically what I did was added all of the ingredients to the chicken, mixed really well, and I cover and allow it to sit and marinate for about an hour or two. In a preheated pot, I did add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I'll go in with the chicken. We'll give it a good mix and we'll allow it to go for about 5 minutes before sitting the lid on, and we'll allow it to release all of its juices. Then we'll allow those juices to evaporate. Once all the liquid from the chicken has evaporated, we will proceed with the next step. So after about 15 minutes in total, the chicken has already released all of its juices, and those juices have evaporated. So what we'll do next is add our tomato paste. We'll let that tomato paste fry for about a minute or so, and then we'll go in with our aromatics and herbs. Next, you want to go in with all of the aromatics. You want to add the garlic, onions, the bell peppers, tomatoes, the green onions, and cilantro. We'll give it a good mix and we'll allow it to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. So at this point, you want to go in with your bora or long bean along with the potatoes and the seasonings. You want to season to your own taste, and you can add your favorites here. You don't have to use the seasonings I'm using. Give it a good toss, and the next thing we'll add is our coconut milk. Add your coconut milk, and the last thing I'll add is my thyme and my hot peppers. Because I don't want the peppers to pop in the dish, I like to add it in at this point. So I'll add them in here, give this a good mix, and then we will cover this and allow it to simmer on medium to low heat until the potatoes are nice and tender. So 10 minutes in, we'll give this a little check, and as you can see, it has a lot of liquid there still. So what I'll do is leave this uncovered, and I will allow it to continue cooking until most of the liquid has evaporated and the potatoes are nice and tender. And here you have it. The bora simmered in coconut milk is finally done. Now I like to have a little bit of gravy in my dish, so this here is perfect for me. I will now turn the heat off and get ready to serve. So I did plate this up with some plain white rice and some lettuce on the side. You can also have this with roti or ground provision, whatever you prefer. It's such a hearty and flavorful dish. My entire family enjoyed it, and I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel out a lot. share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!